In the afternoon of December 28th, Cần Thơ City's organizing board for the Childhood Festival 2021 had a meeting to discuss implementation plan. The meeting took place at Cần Thơ City's Youth Union. With the topic entitled Spring Flowers Show Off Their Colors to Offer for the Party, the Childhood Festival 2021 is expected to take place from 2 to 10 p.m. on February 7, 2021 or the 26th of lunar December at Lưu Phước Park and gathers 1,200 students and employees in charge of youth union tasks. This year's festival is designed with many activities such as the check-in zone entitled What Kids Want to Tell, physical games, folk games, pavilions, arts performance. The new point of this year's program is that the organizing board designs the experience zone of kids of Kinh, Chinese, Khmer, Cham minorities so that students will have chance to get to understand about nice cultural traditions of French minorities. These activities aim to contribute to educating the patriotism, creating happy atmosphere for children of the city to celebrate the glorious party and spring up the Buffalo 2021 and the 13th National Party Congress.